She has recently started working for a company based out of UK as a front end full stack.
Mock interviews and placement work, it was very grateful because it is like a replica of real world interviews that we have to face.
Why you chose Fireblaze and what made you think that this is the perfect institute for you? Hi everyone and welcome to this another student testimony at Fireblaze. Today we have Alena with us. She is basically from Kerala. More introduction about her she'll be giving soon. But first of all, a huge congratulations, Alena, for starting to work and getting into the industry of full stack.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Perfect. So, can you please introduce yourself and give us a little background about yourself and what motivated you to upskill in particularly full stack domain?
Sure, sir. Sure. So I am Alena Daniel. I'm from Kerala and I'm a computer science graduate. So basically, I decided to upskill my knowledge in full stack to bridge the gap between my college theory and my practical skill, which needed to build a real world application independently.
Perfect. So, you are from CS background, right?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful. Now, once you thought of upskilling, why you chose Fireblaze and what made you think that this is the perfect institute for you?
So basically, I choose Fireplace and just when I go through many different sites. I just saw your uh, institute and I just go through your sites and it says they offer many hands-on project and many placement support. So I decided to join Fireplace.
Okay, perfect. And while going through the course, how was your overall learning experience at Fireblaze? Which technologies and project you worked through the course?
Okay, so it was a very wonderful experience learning in Fireblaze, and I chose a course of full stack development. It was a really good choice to bring my skills in front end and back end technology, which is very necessary for this upcoming industries. So it is a very good decision that I choose Fireblaze and I choose this course in my career.
So, what all things you learned in, like, did you learn front end, back end?
So I learned many front-end technologies and back-end technologies, including React, MongoDB, Express Node, and many other technologies throughout the course.
Ah, perfect. And apart from technical skills, is there anything professional skills or corporate skills did you gain in the program?
Yeah, in addition to coding, I gained many essential corporate skills like communication skill. Like I'm from another state and you're from another state, so there's a language barrier. So I learned to communicate in global language. So it was very comfortable being there and talking to other staff, and I adapt to a new environment. So it was very good for my career as well.
Perfect. So, uh, how would you explain or justify that the mock interviews and placement preparation sessions build your confidence?
Mock interviews and placement work, it was very grateful because it is like a replica of real world interviews that we have to face. So it was a very good journey. Like they guided me through many different areas. It was very helpful for through my interviews to crack it very well.
Perfect. And now, before we conclude, like, would you explain in depth how the entire process was of the interviews at the company where you'll be working?
Okay, so I was basically chosen as an intern position in a company called Adventx. So there were two rounds. In first round, they basically discussed about my college project, and then the technical round for the front end area, like React and its functional and class components, and about CSS fundamentals, like the basic things. In the second round, they just explained briefly about their current company, and they just asked, "Am I willing to work for them under any pressure?" So the next after a few days, I just received an offer letter as an intern position, and I start working from for 2 days. Like I just start working with their company.
Wonderful. So, how does a typical day at your company look like? Because as I know that this is a remote work environment and you are working for an organization sitting in India for a UK London-based company. So, how does the day look like?
So it is a remote job. It allows me to manage my time flexible, and we communicate through many communication and meeting tools. So it was very flexible. I can do my own things in my time being here. So it's a great thing.
Wonderful. So, all the best for your project, and you should do wonders. And would you recommend Fireblaze to someone who's looking for building
So,
a career in tech?
sure, sure. Because in Fireplace, all the faculties and the members were very helpful. They guide me through various levels like hands-on project section, which was a great experience for me and all other students. So it was a wonderful opportunity. We welcomed always, and they'll teach us the great things from their experience. We learned a lot of things.
Perfect, Elena. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. And thank you for sharing your experience. It is actually a very happy and joyful moment for us to seeing you start your professional journey. And your experience at 5 days was enlightening. You coming in from another state down to Nagpur in our central India region. And we hope to see you back here again. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.